Okay, let's count. Let's count to 20. Let's say Okay, here we go.
Okay, now we're gonna try out Puppetmaster 3D. I've seen a lot of bad comments and reviews on this one. They said it's a Casper knockoff. I think it's more like Spooky or the Ghostly Trio, Ghastly Trio, whatever, or a Boo Boo from Ruby Gloom. But anyways, we'll tap to start. So I gotta take this. I mean, it looks like Casper. And what? Jump in here? Okay. Level completed. Now what? Oh, I gotta hit the collect. Our other games. Tap to start. Oh, it's a lot like, this is made by the same people who did that Squid Game game. Wait, why do I need a key to get in? Oh, I guess I gotta body hop. Oh, okay. And he made the cop shove the dude out the window. Hello, ad. Alright, replay or claim. Yeah. Oh, it's one of these. Collect my 100. Not now. I should have known it has that 3D in it. Oh, it's a Ghostbuster. Let's look at our little ghost friend. Hello, knockoff Casper. Can I get one of these guys? Oh, that's not fair. I have to, whoa. And then what, kick this down? Still need to play Ebony. I'll collect my 100 and move on. Tap to start. 2 Ghostbusters. Beware, beware. How the hell do I... Oh, I guess I should. I don't sense it in her. What's with the keys? Beat the kid. Is that what's gonna happen? I'm confused. Oh, yeah. Boy, the clowns keep getting arrested. Those poor clowns. Collect 100. Play the VIP level for an ad. Oh, drag to aim. I love these, like, ones where you can do stuff. Oh, can't shoot him. Oh. I thought there was just a random dude over here. I didn't know it was some guy holding this chick hostage. Did I get him? No. Flew right past him. Cool. Tap to start. I can't, like... Okay. I'm gonna grab this key. Key. Stop. Let me get the key. Zap into him. And push the airlock. Bye, people. Space police came after him. 100. Prize. 2. Sweet. Double sweet. Get 3 more with an ad. Fuck it. I'm not going to count that one. Because I clicked the ad intentionally. I didn't move on to the next thing. Okay. Well, next. Wellington Street. Who's this guy? Can I, like, interact with these people? If it can sense ghosts, wouldn't it sense that... Wait, how far over can I go? I can go the whole way... Oh, damn. I thought I could go the whole way across the street. Not this way. Nope. How far up can I go? Pretty fucking far. Jesus. That is way further than I thought it was going to let me go. Where's those police people? You know, it'd be great if they had, like, hidden shit that you can do in this. Whoa. What the fuck? Whoa, I think I just glitched out. Nice. How far out does this go? I did not think an app game would allow you to do this. It's a little red arrow. Oh, I think that's the thing to let me know. Damn. Where am I going? Oh, she's gone. She's gone. I can't even see her. Where the hell is she? Oh, no. I'm not even moving anymore. It's doing it on its own. Bitch, come back. Come back. I don't know where to go. I think I screwed up the game. It's like kind of running on its own now. Give me a second. Okay. I had to force stop the app to get back into it. At least it starts me back where I was. I have no clue. I just controlled her. She ran out and I lost complete control of her and she just kept running. However, I'm going to try the same thing again, but see, it shouldn't let me go this far over. How far? Oh, did I just walk around the barrier? Hold on a minute. There's a barrier here. And then if I go this way, there's another barrier. And then now I'm on the other side of the barrier. Barrier. What can I do? Whoa. Okay, so yeah. I definitely don't think I'm supposed to be going over here. But that's okay. Well, no shit. Son of a bitch. Are you kidding me? For real? Okay. I just want to see how far over I can go. Wait, can I go as the ghost? Because he floats, right? So he wouldn't fall. But I gotta get past this guy. Well, he doesn't come out in the street. Maybe I can just go into the street. Yeah, boy. Now this makes sense. Now he's a ghost. He's just floating around, you know, doing his thing. How far down the street can I go? Oh, there's a cop car. Can't go in that. Oh, here's the end of the street. Oh, you shit. Son of a... Okay, you can't go past the length of the end of the street. Gotcha. I probably fell off earlier, and that's why I couldn't control that, because it's doing that same right arrow. Okay. Note to self, ghosts do not float. Okay, so I'm gonna go... How far forward can I go? We know I can't go left, right? Unless I go outside of the barrier. Because I was definitely walking on the white. Oh, what the hell? Every time now. What the fuck? Alright, I'm done doing that. Okay, let's just continue to go to the next level. Alright. Let's do what we're supposed to do. Oh, he's getting a little ballsy, isn't he? What happens? Oh no. Hello, ad man. Can I still walk? No. Let's collect it. Collect 100. We'll take a spin. What do we got? 150. Okay, tap to continue. No thanks. Tap to start. WC men, WC women. Oh, I can't go into this chick. Oh, I can go into this chick. So wait. I just want to check the barrier to see if that was the only map that does that. Find a glitch in the wall. Can I go through the doors? No. There's a bucket. No. Yeah. This one, no glitchy. Oh shit. That was new. Oh, I was inside of her for too long. I was inside of her for too long. Can I possess one of them? Fuck. Whatever, I'm going straight for it. I guess you can't be in them for too long. Collect our 100. Tap to start. Whoa. Actually, I'm curious. What happens if they catch me? Catch me, bro. I just flew right in front of you. You're gonna do anything? What the? Hello? Don't gonna do anything. Okay. Key gotten. Am I gonna push him in front of the train? Is that what's gonna happen? No. I think that's the only level that glitches. It's like there's just that one. Unless there's like another open world. Whoa. I stepped up on something. Oh. Running up the wall. Nice. Keep going up. So I guess that's as far as she can go. Can you run up the wall again, please? Oh, look at her twitch. Glitchy twitch. Okay. I guess that's as far as she can go. Well, that was lovely. Oh, I can run up this too. I guess you can run into the corners. But you cannot go outside the boundaries here. Boom. Murder. Collect 100. Tap to start. Alright. Why am I even trying as the person? I can just do it as the ghost. Gonna climb up the wall? Nope. As a ghost, I should be able to already go through the wall. Oh, we know they do nothing. No, I didn't want to. Wow, what a dick move. It's time to start. Oh, we're back in the open world. This is probably why I could. No? I don't even know why I'm afraid of that guy. I know he's not going to do anything. Oh, there's cars moving now. Maybe I can. No. They have barriers on this one. Avoid the car. Oh, did I find something? Yeah. A force field. I can't run out into the traffic. Oh, I can get in the car though. Oh, and break through to the other side. Nice. I get hit? No. Straight through me. Not a big surprise. I'm leaving. Well, I don't want to go too far. Oh, I think that's the edge. Yeah, I don't want to go down there. What was that? Oh, there's that fucking clown again. Hello, Mr. Clown. Yeah, I can actually hit him. Oh, and I can move the... What? Nice. Little hidden Easter eggs there. Too bad the cars... No, I can't hit them. Well, this isn't right. These can move. So maybe if I like... Can I hit that? No, straight through it. Can I move you guys? Nope. What's that say? Give way. That's a yield sign. Is that what... Is that what it means in your country? Wherever this was made. How far over? I don't want to go too far. Oh, there's a bowling alley. Nice. Let's go bowling. Where's the bowling alley? I want to go bowling. I don't want to go too far out there. Or else I'll fall off the fucking map again. Cars disappear here. Damn, it is letting me go far as shit. No, there we go. That's it. That's what I was looking for. Alrighty. Yep. Okay, press start. How did I get through there again? I went through the car. I was like hopping in the front of the car. Damn, yeah, this one had me go far as shit. Still hit these? Yeah. Oh, did it just let me go through him? Yeah, kinda. No, kinda like shooting around him. Nope, straight through him. Okay, so we know the bowling alley's as far as we can go. Well, a little bit past the bowling alleyway. How far can we go this way? Into these buildings that we now can no longer see. La-di-da. Life is a ghost. And then I can't get back into the area. Unless I go... Well, maybe if I can go this way? No. That's hilarious. I did not think... Like, I know you can glitch in, like, system games and PC games, but I didn't know you could do it in fucking phone games. Android. Whatever. Oh, I think I fucked up. Is there a way back in? Oh, it's like a tiny spot. I think... How did I do that? Oh. Shit. Nope, I think I got stuck on the outside of the fucking force field. Oh, for real? Is that how you're gonna be? Why? Why are you gonna do this to me, bro? Well, fuck it. Let's see how far we can go to the right. Right through that car. Oh, damn. Nope. There's the edge. I'm coming to get you. Woo. Wow. This is pretty far out. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. Tap to start. Well, now let's try the mission. Stop, bro. What the fuck? Oh, that's why that's movable. I figured that's why that was... You were able to move that shit so the other stuff can run into it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, it's the Thanksgiving Casper thing. Wedding crash. Well, sure. Tap to start. Alright. And, well, right off the fucking bat. Son of a bitch. Actually, I'm gonna see how far down this goes. I'm curious. It's like a whole... just layer after layer. Can't even see where he's at anymore. If there's a bottom... you think there'd be a bottom to land on? No? Yeah, probably not. Wait, there's just... oh, I don't do the wedding now. Damn it. I lost the wedding. I don't know why I'm trying to escape from these guys. They don't even do shit. Whoa, zap myself into the next room. Wait, am I... chicken sandwich? Oh. Oh, no. Zapping down. Oh, shit. I hit the bottom. What the fuck is going on? Oh, is there any way I can get back up? I doubt it. Maybe I can, like, somehow get underneath her and zap into her body? No, because I think I need to be closer. Well, let's see what's out here with my twitchy little ghost man. Come on, twitchy little ghost man. This is ridiculous. How big is this? Is there like an edge to it? That makes me think the other ones also had like bottoms if I let it drop long enough. But this one's like much smaller. This is ridiculous. No, I think there was an edge. We're getting close to it. See that way, way out there? Yep, slowly creeping up. There it comes. Go to the edge. Boom. And we're out of here. Okay. Let me try this again. Where is the door? Let me do it as a person. Oh no, it's not gonna let me do it. Maybe I had to do it while I was like zapping. Maybe it's because he was backwards or whatever. Aww. Well, that's no fun. No other ways to glitch you out. Oh! I think I found one. I'm in the stove and stuff. Can I, like, go through the wall? No. I can fit in between the stove and the counter. That's as much as I can do. Willow's here now. Say hi, Willow.
Hi.
Hi. I was trying to glitch this game out. I keep falling off ledges and stuff in it. Hold on, let me go to the next level. I'll show you what I mean. Because I play as a little ghost that possesses people.
I heard you're playing Cash
oh, there's an
Games.
ad. Okay. Yeah, see, I play as a little ghost that looks like Casper.
Yeah, we had to pause because we paused for the...
Because there's an ad.
Yeah.
Yeah. No thanks. Tap to start. See, right now I'm like a Christmas one. Don't it look like Casper?
Yeah. You look like a tiny Casper.
These guys don't do anything. Wait. Alright, let's see if I can go... how far it'll let me go here. Right over it, apparently. Walking over the hole. And through the wall I go. And I drop.
You did.
I fell off a ledge.
Daddy, I got something for you.
Okay, hold on. Let me restart this quick. Okay, restarting.
Yep, we're restarting the people.
No, I don't want to run right back out there, but I want to go over this and see how far I can go. Isn't that silly?
I was eating ice cream, so I'm definitely gonna need a brush my
Did you?
teeth.
Oh, right off the edge.
Again?
Yeah, I gotta watch my language now because you're here.
What?
Now I'm recording.
Okay, we're back on track, people. We had to restart the game.
Again.
Again.
How far can I go this way?
Not even. You can't even go that way, can you?
I don't know. Unless I glitch through.
Connor always likes glitching on Roblox. I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
I wish I could play Roblox someday.
Do you wish you could play Roblox? Oh, no. Go back. Oh.
You could say it. I always plug my ears for some reason.
No, it's okay. Alright, I'm probably going to end this game soon because I'm already almost a half an hour in.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do what we're supposed to do. Let's see what happens to this guy. Oh, I possess him. Ah!
What?
He jumped in. He made him jump in.
What happens to the boy?
I don't know. I actually downloaded that game too. I'm going to try it out.
Yeah.
It's called Boss Life. I think it's Boss Life 3D.
I want to try when you're done.
Actually, I have other games that I have for you and Mia to try.
I want to try one now.
Not currently.
When you're done.
Maybe.
Why are you using your middle finger?
I'm using all my fingers.
Yeah, but that was the terrible one thing.
Oh, is it the terrible one?
Yeah.
I don't know if there's any glitches on this one either. Alright, do what has to be done. Oh. Okay.
I'm slipping.
Are you? Yeah, I got it. Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Can you go brush your teeth? And get ready for bed?
Yes, I'm just brushing my teeth and done.
Okay. Don't think. Unless I can go over here. Nope. Oh, what the hell? Now he's stuck spinning forever. Hello, Casper, the not-so-friendly ghost. Glitch your way out. See, he glitches, or twitches his way to the glitch. Oh, or just smashes people and yourself. Collect the 100. Tap to start. Teacher. This is a room, so it probably won't let me glitch out of it. Or maybe it will. The hell? She goes into the floor. Oh no, she's running up into the air now. Oh, through the ceiling? What? I ran right over the barrier.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, now it's shooting me all over the place.
I want to see.
You're missing it. You're gonna have to watch after I'm done recording. I'm look. It's bouncing me around. Watch. Nope, it's not. Nope, see? It's shooting me all over the place.
Oh my gosh.
Because I ran up the wall, which was a barrier. Now I'm stuck out here. I can't get back in.
Are those kids?
Yeah.
You're a teacher, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm possessing the teacher. See if I can run back up the... No, I can't run back up the barrier.
Oh my gosh.
So that means I'm stuck on the other side. Oh, wait, maybe I can.
I'm going to go change.
Okay, go change into your PJs.
These are my PJs. Go.
Okay, well now I'm stuck. Stuck out here. Alright. Tap to start. Get the teacher. Alright, grab the key. Collect my 100. Get them wet. Okay. Alright, tap to start. Oh, what are you doing? Yeah, see.
You got 2 already.
I like how it tells me like go back. Oh! Oh, they actually got me.
Fine.
I've never been busted before. I've gone in front of their like lights all the time. Okay, let's restart.
Wait, really?
Okay. Yeah, that's the first time.
I mean,
I don't want to go to them yet. I want to see if I can go on the water or around the water. Twitchy the Clown here.
what's his name?
No, it's just what I named him because he twitches.
What does twitches mean?
When you twitch.
Like,
Yeah. Oh, I kicked him. And an ad came up. Alright, got the 100. No, no. No, no. No thanks. Why am I still...
what?
Am I supposed to still be on level 15? Now that I know that can actually get me. Oh, I probably could have broke the barrier and knocked all that stuff down.
You killed a kid. Like that?
It was an ad. Oh, I can't replay it for an ad, but I don't want an ad. Let's go to the next one.
Oh my gosh.
Spin the wheel. This is probably the longest I've ever spent on one of these
300.
ad games. Probably because I found out that I can glitch it now.
Mm-hmm. So you just walked into 2 of them.
Oh. You little ass.
Hmm?
Sorry.
I thought you were talking to me.
No, I was talking about Mean Casper. Casper the meanie ghost. He's the meaniest ghost you know. In a Santa hat and a body of another person and electrocute their toes. And an ad comes up and you're like, oh no,
No.
I better pause it now. Collect. Oh, back to this one again, huh?
It's probably like what?
Alright, I'm done.
Yeah.
That's it.
Like and share and subscribe.
Like and share and subscribe.
And if you're beautiful, subscribe. Peace.
Okay. If you say so. Anyways, yes, like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. That would be lovely.
Yeah, hopefully give us 50 thumbs up so this my daddy, can be rich.
Can be rich. I don't think I'm going to get rich off of YouTube.
Peace.
But yeah. Alright. I'll see you next time. Thanks.
Smiley face. Peace.
Okay.
Smiley face.
Alright. Peace.